Sunday in their 2 wins in Texas. And Murphy laces one toward the gap in left center. Over goes Jackson. He won't get there, and it rolls to the wall. Reyes is in to score. Murphy to second with an RBI double, and the Mets strike early again. 1-0 New York. Daniel Murphy with his 13th double of the year, and Reyes scores his 62nd run. That leads the National League.
Great 2-out RBI there by Daniel Murphy. Just a changeup out over the middle of the plate. And just like the ball by Beltran, this ball slicing away from Jackson, not able to catch up to it.